How to Create an AI Influencer, a comprehensive, practical guide. Artificial intelligence has moved from being a background tool to becoming the face of brands, media projects, and online communities. AI influencers, fully virtual personas powered by generative models and automation, are now competing with human creators for attention, sponsorships, and cultural relevance. This guide explains, step by step, how to design, build, launch, and monetize an AI influencer. It covers strategy, branding, technical tools, content pipelines, platform growth, legal risks, and long-term sustainability. 1. Define the strategic foundation. Before touching any software, clarify 4 strategic elements. 1.1 Niche and market position. Ask, what audience am I targeting? What problem or aspiration does this influencer address? Is this educational, aspirational, entertainment-focused, or commercial? High-performing AI influencers typically fall into categories such as fashion and lifestyle, tech futurism, fitness, anime, gaming, business, AI education, travel and digital nomad culture. The narrower the niche, the faster the growth. 1.2 Audience avatar. Define age, location, income level, language proficiency, content platform preference, buying behavior. If your audience is ESL learners, for example, you would simplify vocabulary and create short-form educational clips. 1.3 Brand personality. Your AI influencer must feel psychologically coherent. Define core values: minimalist, rebellious, academic, luxury, tone, warm, sarcastic, analytical, playful, political neutrality or positioning, visual aesthetic, cyberpunk, soft pastel, high fashion, corporate sleek, consistency builds credibility. 1.4 Monetization model design: revenue before content. Common models: affiliate marketing, brand sponsorship, digital products, subscription communities, online courses, licensing character IP, reverse engineer content from revenue goals. 2. Design the AI persona. This stage determines long-term viability. 2.1 Backstory and lore. Human brains connect to narrative. Develop name, age, nationality, occupation, hobbies, beliefs. Signature phrases: a shallow persona feels robotic. Depth increases engagement. 2.2 Visual identity. 4. You have 3 broad visual directions: hyper-realistic CGI, human stylized 3D avatar, anime cartoon. Aesthetic factors to consider: production cost, platform fit, anime performs well on certain platforms, brand positioning, uncanny valley risk, consistency across posts is mandatory. 2.3 Voice and communication style. Will the influencer speak in videos, use text-to-speech, appear only in captions, host live streams? Voice options: AI-generated synthetic voice, human voice actor, cloned voice, with permission. If targeting global markets, multilingual capability is powerful. 3. Choose your technical stack. You do not need to code, but you must design a system. 3.1 Image generation options include diffusion-based generators, custom-trained character models, 3D rendering engines. To maintain visual consistency, consider training a custom model on your character, using reference control tools, creating standardized prompt templates. 3.2 Video generation. 4. Short-form video dominates growth. Methods: animate still images, use talking head AI animation, use motion capture with a 3D avatar, create slideshow-based content. Video is currently the strongest growth lever. 3.3 Script generation. Use language models to write captions, generate scripts, create hooks, draft replies to comments, but always refine manually. AI content without human editing feels generic. 3.4 Workflow automation. To scale, content calendar, automated posting tools, auto-captioning systems, comment moderation filters. Efficiency determines profitability. 4. Build a content strategy. Without strategy, an AI influencer becomes noise. 4.1 Content pillars. Choose 3 to 5 recurring themes. Example for a tech AI influencer: AI news breakdowns, tool reviews, future predictions, productivity hacks, founder mindset, repetition, builds identity. 4.2 Hook engineering. Your first 3 seconds determine survival. Strong hooks: controversial claim, clear benefit, fear of missing out, direct question. Example: most people are using AI completely wrong. 4.3 Posting frequency. For early growth, 1 to 3 short videos daily, 3 to 5 image posts weekly, daily story updates. Consistency beats perfection. 4.4 Platform strategy. Primary growth platforms, short-form vertical video apps, visual platforms, long-form video for authority, X-style platforms for discourse. Choose one primary platform first. Dominate one before expanding. 5. Grow the audience. Growth requires systemization. 5.1 Algorithm alignment platforms. Reward. Retention shares, saves comments. Watch time. Optimize content for these metrics, not vanity likes. 5.2 Collaboration strategy. You can collaborate with real influencers, cross-promote AI characters, appear in brand pages. Co-creation accelerates trust. 5.3 Comment engagement. AI influencers must feel responsive. You can pre-write tone guidelines, use AI to draft replies, manually approve responses. Avoid fully automated cold responses. They reduce authenticity. 6. Monetize the AI influencer revenue models. 6.1 Sponsorships. Brands are interested in predictable output, controllable image, no scandal risk, 24/7 availability. Pitch with engagement metrics, audience demographics, content samples. 6.2 Affiliate marketing. Integrate tools naturally into content. Do not oversell. 6.3 Digital products. Examples: ebooks, templates, prompt packs, courses. Membership community. Digital products produce higher margins than sponsorships. 6.4 Licensing. Your AI character becomes IP. You can license merchandise appearances, branded collaborations, game integrations. Long-term value comes from IP ownership. 7. Legal and ethical considerations. This area is critical. 7.1 Disclosure. Be transparent that the influencer is AI generated. Failure to disclose may violate platform rules, damage trust, create backlash. 7.2 Intellectual property. Ensure images are legally generated. No copyrighted likenesses are used. Voice cloning is authorized. 7.3 Deepfake risk. Avoid impersonating real individuals, misleading political messaging, fake endorsements. Long-term sustainability requires ethical discipline. 8. Build a sustainable system. Initial growth is easy. Longevity is hard. 8.1 Standard operating procedures. Document, prompt frameworks, editing standards, caption structure, hashtag system file, naming conventions. This transforms a project into a business. 8.2 Analytics loop. Weekly review, retention rate, watch time, follower growth, conversion rate. Double down on what performs. 8.3 Evolving the character. Audience expectations change. You may upgrade visuals, introduce storyline arcs, add new personality traits, launch spin-off characters. Static brands decline. 9. Advanced growth tactics. Once stable, build an email list, launch a private community, introduce premium content tiers, expand into long-form authority content. Appear on podcasts. Voice-based AI can participate. AI influencers can operate globally without fatigue. That is a structural advantage. 10. Cost breakdown. Approximate startup costs. Low budget. AI tools, subscriptions. Basic automation, manual editing. Mid-level, custom model training. Paid ads, testing, branding assets. High-end, 3D modeling team. Voice actor, motion capture, professional brand partnerships. Return on investment depends on niche profitability, execution, quality, consistency. 11. Common mistakes. Inconsistent visuals, no clear niche, generic captions, over automation, No monetization strategy, ignoring analytics, copying existing AI influencers, original positioning matters. 12. Case studies. Several virtual influencers have demonstrated commercial viability. Lil Miquela, a CGI fashion model who collaborates with global brands. Shudu, a hyper-realistic digital model in high fashion. Ima, a Japanese virtual influencer blending realism with stylization. These projects show that narrative matters, visual consistency is crucial, brand partnerships follow engagement, the character must feel culturally coherent. 13. The future of AI influencers expect real-time interactive live streams, personalized AI influencers for each follower, full AI-managed communities, integration into VR and AR spaces, voice-first AI brand ambassadors. The line between fictional character and digital employee will blur. Final thoughts. Creating an AI influencer is not merely a technical project. It is brand architecture, behavioral psychology, content engineering, automation design, and intellectual property development combined. The most successful AI influencers are not impressive because they are artificial. They succeed because they are strategically positioned, visually consistent, algorithm aware, monetization driven, ethically grounded. Treat your AI influencer not as a gimmick, but as a media company in character form. If built correctly, it becomes an asset, scalable, global, and independent of human limitations.